And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride all night, working in the middle.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Her Kicks back with another video. Now, I told you guys I had more content coming. Now, this is actually a late post video. I was supposed to shoot this video like weeks ago. Y'all know I told you I made a video like a month ago talking about the Jordan Secrets Reserve and the shoes that I had won off of there. I had won 2 pair of 6s. I won the Bordeaux 6s for my fiance, and I ended up winning the Jordan 6 Gold Hoops Women's. So I'm gonna show you guys those. But first, this video is gonna be about the Bordeaux 6s. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. So like I said, this is a late video. I should have been recorded this, but I'm recording it now so you guys can see. I'm also going to include an on-feet video of my fiance with the Bordeaux 6s on so you guys can see what they look like on feet. So here we go. Okay, so you got the Nike box, you know, the Just Steal It tape or whatever. And here we are. Now you guys know all Jordan 5 and Jordan 6s come in this box. You got your all blacked out Jordan 6 box with the red Jumpman in the center of it. Then you got that cement print around the entire box. You know, so on the side you got the red Jumpman with the red air writing. And then you got the sizing tag here. And it reads, Air Jordan 6 Retro, Black Bordeaux, Light Graphite, USA size 10, retail for $190. Quality control stamp, you guys can see that on the side of the box. You also have on the inside, you have that cement print paper. And we're gonna do these together. So 1, 2, 3, y'all. Here they are, y'all. The Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. Y'all tell me what y'all think about these. These remind me so much of my Bordeaux 7s. Like, it's crazy. And I should have pulled them out to show you guys, like, compare and contrast the difference and similarities between the two. But you guys, the Bordeaux 7s will be my all-time favorite Grail and all-time favorite Jordan of all time. So, you know, there's no other comparisons to that. But these are dope. You got that graphite and black color blocking around the entire shoe. You got the toe box, which is graphite gray. And you have the Bordeaux colorway in between the laces here. All black laces. You have the pacifier. It's the yellow pacifier with the black Jumpman. Then the midsole is color block with the graphite gray and also the black around the entire shoe in midsole. Then you have the back of the heel tab, which is Bordeaux and graphite gray. The back heel, which is all blacked out with the black Jumpman and the black air writing. Then of course, you have the air holes around the entire shoe, like with the graphite gray and the black. And you have the bottom, which you have that graphite gray with the translucent graphite gray. So that's mixed with the black, and you got the yellow Jumpman with a little bit of Bordeaux on the very back bottom part of the shoe. And then the tongue is graphite gray, but it's also translucent. It has Air Jordan on the tongue right here. And on the inside, take this out here. It is an all black. No, actually it's the colors of the back of the tongue. You got those crazy colors that the Jordan 7 have on the front of the tongue, which Jordan 7 has the best tongue. And then the insole, you have a mixture of all the colors to match the back of the tongue and the insole. Y'all cannot see that. I wish y'all could, but Yeah, you got your blue, you got your Bordeaux, green, yellow, black. Just all the colors that are on the back of the tongue. That's what you have in the inside. And then the Jumpman is just all black inner sock lining. And then you have a multicolored insole to match the back of the tongue. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Let me get out the other one. The shoes also come with the extra pair of Bordeaux laces. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, I like these, I really like these, but the 7s, you know, those are my girls, so I definitely can't like choose a shoe over the 7s. Like the Bordeaux 7s, like this is my girl all the time. Also, I noticed that the air holes around the side of the shoe are 3M. I'm gonna have to take a picture so you guys can see that for yourself. Like, this is really, really dope. But y'all tell me what y'all think about these. This is just a quick little video. Did you guys cop the Bordeaux 6s on the sneakers app Reserve? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment, rate, subscribe, like this video. It's your girl, Her Kicks. Yeah, these are really dope, y'all. They're really dope and they look so big in my hand. But y'all tell me what y'all think. Fiance, I hit on them for my fiance. I hit on them for myself. So that's really dope. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Here is a 360 view. Yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think. These are beautiful. They really are. I'm not even gonna lie. I wish I had my Bordeaux 7s in hand, but they're in my closet. So y'all tell me what y'all think about these. Y'all, I'm almost at that 300 sub mark. Like, the thing I don't understand is, why subscribe to somebody's channel just to unsubscribe? I literally had like 296 subscribers. Now I'm down to 293. I lost 3 subs within like a day. Don't know why, the reason for that, but I would like to thank you guys that are still supporting me, still rocking with me, still love me enough to keep watching my channel, comment, just interacting with me. I really appreciate it because I reply to all my comments and it's dope. You know, I do still get love for people who still watch me and want me to bring more content and more traction and more videos to my channel. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. But that is the end of this video. On to the On Feet with my man, so you guys can see what the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux look like on feet. It's your girl, Her Kicks, and I'm out. Bye, guys.
We can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.